The West Angelas mine site is located within the eastern Pilbara region of Western Australia, approximately 110 kilometres west of Newman. West Angelas currently produces 35 million tonnes per annum of iron ore. Monadelphous was chosen for vital upgrade works to extend the life and expand the productivity of operations.
The project is about an expansion at the West Angelas site for Rio Tinto. Deposits are running down in their iron ore, and the expansion is about opening up the C&D deposits, which are about 12 kilometres away from the existing plant. Our scope is about building a new primary crusher up at the new deposits end, an overland conveyor that goes from the primary crusher all the way down to the existing plant at Hub A, and then a new surge bin, and then a large amount of brownfields modifications.
The project included supply and installation of structural, mechanical, piping, electrical and instrumentation works associated with the construction of new facilities, as well as modifications to the existing plant. West Angelas is the first mine to be deployed with transforming technologies, such as autonomous haulage, autonomous drilling and remote controlling of mining operations.
This project demonstrates the integrated capability of Monadelphous. We were able to do the shop detailing via our Sinostruct division, our fabrication via our Sinostruct division, and also assisted with coordinating the local fabrication component as well. Then we've moved into delivery of the equipment to site and installation on site. The installation component involved our electrical heavy lift and tying in with some of our maintenance divisions as well, with their support in various aspects.
So on the project we've installed well over 150 kilometres of cable. We've also removed up to 20,000 metres of redundant cable.
We have a large greenfield scope which includes the brand new primary crusher to the new surge bin. We also have a lot of brownfields to greenfields tie-ins, and we have a lot of shutdowns. This project's been pretty dynamic in regards to trying to meet schedule, trying to deal with COVID and what's been happening with lockdowns in other states.
Monadelphous constructed the original West Angelas processing facility in 2001, which at the time was a new breed of iron ore mine supplying ore to the world market. This contract is another example of the repeat business Monadelphous gets from its customers on the back of successfully completed projects. The team achieved many significant milestones throughout the project, including completing the shutdown of the secondary crusher surge bin ahead of schedule, with a peak shutdown workforce of more than 280 on site, working around the clock, incident-free. Replacing the top of the existing surge bin at the secondary crushing area, upgrades to the head and tail end of the conveyor, upgrades to the training plates and chutes, and other supporting infrastructure works were completed 46 hours ahead of schedule.
The safety of our workforce on the project has been absolutely paramount to the successful delivery. We've worked very closely in conjunction with our customer to ensure this happens. We've had to implement extensive procedural requirements, and on top of that we've carried out very proactive engagement with our workforce out there in the field to make sure that they are actually actively engaged in doing the job safely. The message we give them is that the safe way is the only way we will do our work.
The culture here is really good. I think the management really care about you as a person. You know, if you've ever got a problem, you can always go to them.
The culture is really good. They've got a great culture with people working in well together.
The amount of people on this project with a lot of experience in the industry, I think that's really helped in my development, and it's really helped the project progress. We've actually worked together with the SMP team, which is really good, and we're able to achieve all our deadlines and get the final iron ore date on time.
For females wanting to get into the industry, I'd say absolutely go for it. It's a really great experience.
One of the key aspects that has made this project successful is how we have come together as a team.
The core of our business is our people.
We have successfully delivered a large and complex project for our customer, and I'm proud of what my team has been able to come together and achieve with all the complexities that we have faced throughout the life cycle of the project.